Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by checking gear and stamina. Make sure your stamina is above 50% so you can dash and grab. Once positioned, approach at a slight angle to bait a strike. Hold block to absorb the first hit, then press dash once to close the gap. This creates the opening you need for the takedown. You do this because a blocked hit reduces recoil and the dash converts defense into offensive range for a clean initiation. Once you've closed distance, act fast. Tap grab immediately, then add a light attack to convert the grab into a throw. You want to push the opponent toward their weak side. Use a directional input to rotate them into position. Keep an eye on your stamina and make sure it stays above 25% so you can follow through. If the first throw connects, chain a quick finisher by holding the attack button. This is how you secure knockout without wasting time. You finish by hitting a heavy attack or ground punch once they stagger. Time it right and you get the knockout. If your sequence fails, don't spam. Reset distance and use the block dash bait again to reopen the window. And if your stamina drops too low, disengage and regenerate before trying one more time. Rushing leads to counter grabs. This troubleshooting step keeps you alive in a match and increases your success rate over repeated attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.